After years of searching, a hidden mountain rich with gold is finally discovered. Advanced scanning reveals massive deposits buried deep inside. Pure gold veins shine through the hardened rock. This could be one of the largest gold reserves ever found. Now the extraction begins with powerful machinery.
Precision blasting breaks apart the massive structure.
Enormous machines pull out gold-filled stones.
Each load carries tons of raw gold mixed with rock.
The giant rocks are cut down for transport.
The journey from mountain to refinery begins. Next, we follow these massive stones to the U.S. largest gold refinery.
Drilling prepares the mountain for further blasting.
Explosives are carefully positioned.
The mountain breaks into manageable sections. Huge chunks collapse under force.
We are witnessing how massive gold mountains are broken down step by step. Now the debris is cleared, and
Machines clear the debris efficiently. Primary crushing begins immediately. Material is moved continuously. Further cutting prepares for transport. Gold-rich stones are sorted. Extraction continues deeper into the mountain. Heavy loaders handle extreme weight. Each truck is filled with precision.
The site transforms into a large mining zone.
Initial sorting separates valuable material. Dust is controlled for safety. Transport is organized efficiently. Fully loaded trucks prepare to move. Convoys ensure secure movement.
these giant stones are now ready for the next stage inside the refinery. From mountain to metal, the journey continues.
Heavy trucks travel challenging terrain.
The journey is long and demanding.
Each truck carries extreme weight. Transport continues day and night.
Security checks ensure safe transit.
The convoy enters main routes.
Every movement is tracked.
Destination ahead.
The destination comes into view.
Arrival is careful coordinated.
The ore enters the refinery.
Massive cranes unload the ore. Ore is organized for processing. Material enters the system.
Crushing begins immediately.
This is where raw gold ore begins its transformation. From boulders to gravel, every piece moves forward. And
Rocks are broken down further. Material is sorted by size. Continuous flow ensures efficiency. Smaller particles move ahead. Prepared ore is stored. Further crushing, refines the material. Grinding reduces particles to fine powder. Water mixes to form slurry.
The mixture flows through pipes.
Impurities begin to separate. Heavier gold particles settle. Chemicals help isolate gold.
Gold is extracted from slurry.
Concentrated gold is collected.
at this stage, gold is finally separated from the rock. Next, it'll be dried and melted into pure form.
Moisture is removed completely. Material is prepared for melting. Extreme heat melts the gold. Liquid gold begins to form. Impurities separate at high temperature.
Further purification takes place.
Pure gold reaches peak quality. Molten gold is poured into molds. Bars begin to solidify. Initial gold bars are created. Bars are refined again for purity. Surface is cleaned and polished. Each bar receives official markings.
Weight is measured precisely.
These bars are now nearly pure gold, ready for final inspection and secure storage.
Quality checks confirm purity. Bars are organized carefully.
Behind your son is there pressures and green way now.
Automation ensures precision. Bars move toward vault. Final storage begins.
Massive wealth is stored here.
Security is at the highest level.
Each bar represents immense value.
Bars are prepared for distribution. They are secured for shipment. Heavy machinery handles the load.
Transport begins under protection.
Shipments move securely.
Gold reaches financial centers.
From mountain to vault, this is the full gold journey. But before global trade, every bar must pass final testing.
Gold purity is tested scientifically. Advanced tools verify composition. Certified for global standards. Every bar is recorded.
Surveillance never up.
Security remains strict.
Access is limited.
Go ahead.
Only approved bars move forward.
Final checks are completed.
After rigorous testing and maximum security, these gold bars are ready for the world. From the mountain to global market,
Gold powers global markets, moving across continents to fuel the world economy.
It influences economies, serving as a hedge against inflation and a store of value.
Used in industries and luxury, gold adds prestige to watches, electronics, and more.
Crafted into valuable products, gold becomes heirlooms and symbols of love.
you've seen the full journey from raw ore to gold bars. From a hidden mountain to the world's most valuable refineries, this is the power of gold.
A symbol of wealth, each bar represents months of mining, crushing, refining, and testing. Pure and powerful, gold's timeless allure remains unmatched. Stored securely until the day they are needed for global trade or investment.
The process continues, day after day, turning raw earth into pure gold. This is how gold becomes one of the world's most valuable resources, from the US largest gold refinery to the world.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitors concept, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other contents. This video is informative only and doesn't present AI visuals as real footage.